Hey guys, this is Mainak from Civil Center, and today I'm back with another plan in a plot area of 1500 or 1500 square feet, and the building is east facing, having two number of floors or two number of stories, that is G+1 building. Now let us quickly look at the dimensions of the plot. As you can see here, the dimensions of the plot are 50 feet into 30 feet. So these are the dimensions of the plot, and as you can see here, the dimensions of the built up area of the ground floor is 47 feet 6 inches into 25 feet. So these are the dimensions of the ground floor built up area. Setbacks, which is the distance between the boundary or the corner of the plot to the portion in which we have done the construction. So the setback we have provided on the rear side is 2 feet, and the front side we have provided a setback of 3 feet. In the left side we have given a setback of 1 feet 6 inches, and in the right side we have given a setback of 1 feet. So these distances we have left from the boundary of the plot. Now let us discuss about the components of this ground floor building. In the ground floor we have provided a portico, two number of bedrooms, one toilet which is attached, one common toilet, and one drawing cum dining area, and one kitchen. So now let us start with a detailed description. As you can see here, the portico size is 22 feet 9 inches into 17 feet 6 inches. So this space is sufficient for the parking of 2 4-wheelers and minimum of 6 number of 2-wheelers. So this has been done because in this building we will have 3 numbers of units. As you can see here, in the ground floor we have 1 unit, and in the first floor we have 2 number of units, that is 3 families can reside in this building. So the parking space has been given as per that. Now as you can see here, the staircase has been given in such a way that all the 3 units can use it independently. It is a dog leg staircase having a riser of 6 inches and tread of 10 inches, which is the standard dimension in case of a residential building. Now moving forward, in the first unit, as you can see here, the first unit of the ground floor, the entrance is to the drawing cum dining area. Now as you know that the dining area is adjacent to the kitchen because both have similar utility. The size of the kitchen is 11 feet 8 inches into 6 feet 4 inches. Now this is the size of the kitchen, and this is the drawing area where guests can come and sit, as well as the residents of this house. There is a common toilet here having size of 6 feet 9 inches into 4 feet. Now there are 2 number of bedrooms here which are quite decent in their sizes. The first bedroom has size of 11 feet into 10 feet 11 inches, and the second bedroom, which also has an attached toilet, it has a size of 11 feet into 12 feet. The size of the attached toilet is 4 feet 6 inches into 6 feet. So these were the dimensions of the elements in the ground floor. Now let us quickly go through our first floor plan. So now in the first floor, as you can see here, the built up area of the first floor is 1244.32 square feet compared to 1187 square feet of the ground floor. So this is due to the balconies which we have provided in the rooms. So as you can see here, in the first floor we have 2 separate units. One unit here is the 1 BK portion, that is 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen and 1 dining, and in this we have 2 BHK portion. So now let us first describe this portion. Here we have 1 bedroom of size 10 feet into 12 feet. So this is the size of the bedroom. We have 1 common toilet of 4 feet into 6 feet, and then again we have a kitchen here of 7 feet into 6 feet 4 inches, and 1 drawing cum dining area which is quite decent in its size, 14 feet 10 inches into 10 feet 11 inches. Now as you can see here, we have given a balcony here of 2 feet 10 inches wide. So 2 feet 10 inches is the width of the balcony, so it will give some proper aeration and sunlight to this first floor plan. Now this unit is suitable for a small family or bachelor, which can also be given for rent. Now let us move to the other unit. As you know, the other unit is similar to the unit which we had seen in the ground floor. The only addition is that we have a balcony of 2 feet wide here. So these are basically 2 bedrooms having 1 attached toilet, one common toilet, one drawing area and one kitchen. So this is the plan for the first floor of the building. Now let us discuss about the door window schedule. Now, as we had discussed also in our previous videos, let us first discuss about the door. So we've given two types of door here having sizes of 3 feet into 7 feet. Now the lintel level of all the doors and windows is the 7 feet. So the lintel level is 7 feet, and we have given two types of doors, that is all the main doors are of 3 feet width, and the doors of the balconies and the door of the, as you can see here, the door of the toilet is of 2 feet 6 inches. And this line in this plan, as we all know that this line in this plan has been shown to indicate that the slab or the level of the toilet is at a lower level. So these are the door schedule. And the window schedule, let us discuss here. The window schedule, you are given two types of windows here, that is W and W1. The W size is 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inches and 3 feet into 4 feet 6 inches. Now the sill level or the window sill level is the bottom level of the window, which is given at a standard height of 2 feet 6 inches. Now let us see where we have given W and W1. Let us first observe this bedroom. In this bedroom, as you can see here, we have given one window of 5 feet width, which is W here, and along this direction we have given another window of W1, which is of 3 feet width. So there are two types of windows here. Here also we have provided along this side W1, and as you can see in the bedroom only we have provided another W here. Here we also have a bedroom here, while we have provided W, that is 5 feet width window. So this is all about the door window schedule. We also have ventilators here. One type of ventilator we have provided, which is 2 feet into 2 feet, which is provided in all the toilets of the ground floor as well as the first floor. So this was a building plan of size of plot area 1500 square feet and ground floor built up area around 1200 square feet. So friends, how did you find this video? Please let us know in the comments, and please encourage us to make more such videos by your comments, because through the comments only we get to know which type of topics you're interested in and we get proper feedback of our videos. So thanks for watching. So this is Mainak signing off. Bye bye.